Good morning, children. Today is Wednesday. Today is 9th September 2020. Children, now take your General Awareness book, book number 4. General Awareness book, book number 4. Open page number 64. Page number 64. 64. Children, today you will learn about natural and man-made things. Okay? But before that, once let us revise about living things and non-living things. See, the next page itself you can see living and non-living. So now please repeat after me. Living things breathe, move and grow. Non-living things cannot move, cannot grow, cannot breathe. Okay, children, you have to learn first living and non-living things. Today, you will learn about natural and man-made. Natural means gift of God. Okay, all the beautiful things we see around us, like trees, animals, rivers, mountains, sun, moon. Okay, these all are natural. These are all gifts of God. These are not prepared by anyone. Okay, they are in nature, so they are called natural. Now, what is man-made? Man-made things are like car, refrigerator, TV, computer. Okay, these all are machines, artificial things. So they are called man-made. Okay, so here your task is circle the natural things in green. You can see here, circle the natural things in green color. Now let us identify natural things. Now take green color crayon. Okay. What is this, children? Tree. Very good. Now tree is natural. Okay. This is not prepared by anyone. It is formed in nature. Okay, if you plant it, beautiful trees grow. Now this is crow. Okay, crow is natural. All the animals, okay, animals, trees, and see what is this? Yes, river, lakes. Okay, so all the water bodies are also natural things. This is market. Is market a natural thing? No, very good. Now what is this? Bat and ball. Is this natural? No. Now let us check one more. What is this? Car. Is this natural? No. What is this? Sun. Yes, sun is natural thing. Okay. These are mountains. Mountains are natural things. Okay. So children, natural things means these are not prepared, these are not made by anyone. They are gifts of nature. Now circle the man-made things in blue. Okay, the things which are made by man. Mark it. Okay, mark it. Bat and ball, they are made by man. Someone will make it and they will sell in shops. Okay, car also is man made. And this is shop also is man made. Okay children, I hope you understood what is natural and man made. Children, now take your literacy skills book number 1. Literacy skills book number 1. Open page number 43. 43. 43. Children, here you can see list of words. You have to write in the correct columns. Okay. Now please repeat after me. Pod. Pod. Okay. So here please concentrate on the sound of the middle letter. What is the sound here you are giving? O. Okay. This is middle letter. P-O-D. Pod. So in this column you have to write all the words where O is in middle. O in middle. Okay, first one is done for you. Now let's check for the other words. Now, is O in the middle? No. Is it O in the middle? No. Here? Yes. Now let us repeat and write. Okay? L O T. Lot. Okay? Yes. Now next one. Is O in middle? Yes. So write R O D. Rod. Okay. Now next one. Is O in middle? No. Here? Yes. So now let's write K-O-T. Cot. K-O-T. Cot. Now check again. Middle, what is the letter here? This is not O. Okay. Now here? No. Here? Yes. But pod is already written. Okay. Pod is already written here. It's given here. Okay. Let's go for next word. Here O in middle. Yes. Now let's write this word. Now. H O P. Hop. Next, check the middle word letter. Sorry. Check the middle letter. Yes, here. L O G. Log. Okay. Now next. F O X. Fox. O in middle. F O X. Fox. Okay. So this is how you have to write, and please concentrate on the positioning of the letters. I already explained you many times This is beginning, middle, ending. So whenever you are writing a word, you have to practice what is the beginning letter, what is the middle letter, what is the ending letter. Okay children, now this is your part and I would like to see videos. Okay, when you're doing this part, I want to see how you're identifying the middle letter and how you're repeating and writing. I would like to see the videos. Kindly send me the videos of this worksheet. Okay children? Children, take your third book of stories, book number 7. Book number 7, third book of stories. Story of the week, The Musical Donkey. Story of the week is The Musical Donkey. You have to read this story daily once, and on Friday you should send me the video. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey and a jackal. One day, they went to a farm. The donkey ate the grass. The jackal ate the ducks and hens. After eating, the donkey began to sing loudly. Hearing this, the jackal ran away. The farmers came running and chased the donkey away. Children, now take your Hindi textbook. Hindi textbook. Open page number 12. Page number 12. Today, introduction of new letter Cha. Repeat after me. Cha. Cha. The other day you learnt first cha. This is cha. Repeat after me. Cha. 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 छ से छतरी. छ से छड़ी. छ से छलनी. छ से छाग. Children, please practice picture reading of letter Cha and you have to color it in blue color. Practice writing Cha in your broad rule book, Hindi notebook. Okay? Here one standing line, up sleeping line. This is how you have to write Cha. Okay? Curve. One more curve. Go up, make a loop, a standing line and a sleeping line. This is how you have to write Cha practice writing in your notebook. One full page. Children, now take your sight words chart and please repeat after me. You, your, in, out, about, I, my, a, an, at, is, and, do, go, to, of, the, are, me, we, on, or, see, look, with, was. Today, 2 new words. He. Repeat. He. He. She. 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 Children, please practice all these sight words and you have to send me a video on Saturday with all these sight words. Okay, you have to read the words. Please send a video when you're reading all the sight words on Saturday. Okay, bye children. Take care.